let's get hungry together. These homemade pizza pockets, they are the ultimate weeknight win with a golden brown crust and gooey cheese in the center. Everyone at the table will be asking for seconds. Heidi VanValkenburg with Rhodes Bake and Serve joins me with the recipe. I have a burning question.
Okay, I'm ready.
Pizza pocket,
Yeah?
calzone.
I
What's
know.
the difference?
I think the look, I don't know.
We should declare right now so that we know what we're talking about as confident women in the
This
kitchen.
is pizza pockets.
These are pizza pockets.
Do not move on to something else.
Fine. I will not. These look amazing. And you see there are so many different ways we can make them, serve them, eat them.
Yes, because I want something simple, and so I can make these ahead. I can bake them. I can wrap them in foil. Or plastic wrap. I can put them in my freezer and pull them out.
They look
And so you
amazing.
could do them in an air fryer if you wrap them in foil, and in the oven or in the microwave.
We've got options.
We do, and it's so simple as just thawing a few of our rolls and putting them together. And depending on if you want it a little bit thicker, or I just combined these, I've left them out, I got them, I rolled it out. This is 8 by 8. That's it.
Okay.
So simple. That's the start. Spray your board, roll them out.
Then what?
Okay. Then we're going to add our marinara, or if you're a pesto fan, me and you have talked about this in the past.
You don't like pesto.
I don't. You remembered.
I do.
But pesto and these meatballs and mozzarella cheese, that makes for a good filling if you like
Thanks for
that.
thinking of me.
I did think of you. And then I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of this down the middle of this, and then whichever combination that you want to do, Canadian bacon and pineapple. I bought these little teeny mini pepperonis, and the reason I did that rather than the big ones, the kids are going to get a bite in each time.
In each bite, pepperonis.
Yeah.
And actually, good technique tip to stack down the middle.
Yes.
You don't need to fill
Because
corner
I'm gonna,
to corner.
No, because I'm going to fold it. And
Yeah.
so this is about 1/3 of a cup of that grated mozzarella cheese. But there again, when people look at a recipe, they always like, okay, I've got to do it just like this. You don't. You can do any combination of cheese
Any
that
cheese
you
you have.
like.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, mix it up if you want to do that.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to take the end of this and I'm going to fold this to the middle.
Okay.
Okay. And you can tell that that's pretty thin. And then I'm going to fold this over like this. And then we're just going to go in like this, and we're going to make our pizza pocket. I cheated a lot, and I'm going to just admit it on air, okay? Because I love mozzarella, and I love it with Parmesan. So I put my pizza pocket down, and I brush this with an egg wash because I like the texture of that on it.
And the color, right?
And the color.
Yeah, pretty.
And then I can add my my Parmesan cheese on top of that.
Well, why is that a confessional? What's wrong with
Because
that?
that's not on our recipe.
Oh,
There again.
she's deviating.
I deviated.
She's a wild child.
I know. They always tell me I go rogue, and I'm really going to go rogue in a minute. So, and then I just have this blend of seasoning. It's a, it has-
Italian?
yeah, it's kind of like Italian garlic, and then I sprinkled that on top.
Ooh,
So,
Heidi.
You know, it
Yum.
just is really nummy to do
Do we
that.
let this rise, or do we just pop
You
it
don't
right in?
have to.
Okay.
350, you're going to put that in your oven. It's going to bake about 20 to 25 minutes.
That's a
on
quick
there.
dinner.
It is a really quick dinner, but
What?
this is my big going rogue.
I'm ready for it.
I filled these ones right here with a cream cheese base.
Stop.
So I mixed cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a little bit of vanilla. I made the base instead of the marinara or the
Yes.
pesto. I used that
Right.
for my base, and then I did apple pie filling. You can make your own, whatever you like. I put that in over it, and then I made the same thing, and then we just put a little bit of glaze on top.
Cinnamon and sugar or glaze on top.
I did cinnamon sugar and then the glaze. I did both.
Okay,
There you go.
savory and sweet. You know
Savory
what?
and
You go
sweet.
rogue, you win. Because
you.
that looks, I didn't even notice those.
Right?
Looks amazing.
And so, just a
next to a
different-
bouquet of freshly sharpened pencils.
I thank you.
Meg Ryan.
That's my back.
Would be so proud. I just watched that movie on the plane this weekend.
did you?
So
Oh,
sweet. Yeah.
okay. Well-
we love Rhodes rolls, and these recipes prove why. I mean, easy ways to put a good dinner on the table in minutes.
Yes.
And your website has great recipes,
Yes,
of
Rhodes
course.
Bake and Serve. Yeah,
Rhodes Bake and Serve.
Yeah, .com, and then you can find these. And we did the dinner rolls today, but you could do it with the Texas. We have warm and serve. All our ideas are there for every holiday, even ones you might not like.
Even the.
So,
Thank
we're
you.
not going to use that.
No,
But
we won't bring
whatever-
that up again.
we
But
won't
it
bring
was mentioned in the commercial break, and I believe on social media that
Yeah.
Halloween's not my favorite.
I know.
But I'm here for it.
Okay, there you
and
go.
Rhodes will have great recipes to help you
That's
celebrate
right.
Halloween. So just make sure you're stopping by the freezer section on your next grocery store trip, and you can have these pizza pockets, not calzones, or these apple pie little hand pies. I love it, Heidi. Thank you.
you.
Happy fall.